Hey everybody, Devin, ex-Army paratrooper here with Toyota of Easley. You might know Toyota for their reliability and most importantly, safety. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a look at Toyota's line of luxury, the Toyota Crown. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing the sophisticated and luxury side of Toyota. I mean, this makes me feel like I just got off at an episode of Suits. This is Devin, ex-Army paratrooper with Toyota of Easley. Come and see me, I'll take care of you. Have an airborne day.